We can change the environments. We can adapt homes. But we don't have a great answer other than relationships for helping people to age the way they want to age. Both as a psychologist and after I retired, looking at aging and disabilities, what really became evident is the importance that relationships have in terms of well-being. People will develop a quality of life associated to where they're living. And if it's rich enough, and most of us build fairly rich lives, it can help with preventing isolation. That can be something that a community can build that doesn't have to be official. It can be the unofficial, natural occurring living community. And when I moved into this area, I was interested in how do we reach out to neighbors? What is it that we can do to be useful for them?
Hey, my friend. How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
And so what I found was there was simple answers to that. It can be, I'm going to the store, do you need anything? The connections are pretty easy to form, and they just need to be reinforced. So we discover them, and then by doing it over and over and over again, it becomes sort of habitual to the area you're living at. Because we share something with our neighbor, they share something with us. And the connections become strong, and the isolation becomes less. Part of connecting with people is recognizing that it takes an effort, but it makes a difference.
Eddy Senior Living, 6 Capital Region communities where seniors can meet others who share their same energy, interests, and passions. Chef-prepared meals, social events and activities. EddySeniorLiving.com.